Accsoon CineEye 2S Pro with SDI and HDMI brings cinema-level wireless video transmission to everyone. This wireless transmitter has a range of up to 1,200 feet and can connect to 4 dedicated receivers or mobile devices. The receivers connect to anything with an HDMI or SDI input. So now, professional monitors, commercial televisions, and projectors can all be part of your video village. With an average latency of under 60 milliseconds, the CineEye 2S Pro has nearly undetectable lag. It even passes audio to any device it's connected to.
What did you do that for?
And the dual-channel signal is highly resistant to interference and automatically modifies and selects channels that have the least resistance. Powered by Sony-style NP batteries, the transmitter and receiver can even be powered through their built-in DC inputs. Now get wireless video to your monitors for as long as your shoot requires. Connected to your iOS or Android device, you get pro features like focus peaking, zebras, false colors, and LUT overlay. You also stream live audio and video directly to YouTube to expand your video village anywhere. High-end features, affordable price. This will be essential for large and small footprint productions. The Accsoon CineEye 2S Pro. Effortlessly wireless.